Hi everyone, welcome to Club UX. This channel is a sincere effort from my side for all the budding UX designers out there who want to learn and grow in UX design. So, as per statistics from Glassdoor, as on March 2021, the average salary of a UX designer in the US is about $85,000 per year. Well, the salary increases or decreases depends on the location where you live in the US. For example, if you live in San Francisco Bay Area, where the cost of living is higher, you will get more salary as compared to anybody else who's living, for example, maybe in Ohio. So the good news is that demand of UX designers is growing year after year. However, it's a little bit tough for these recruiters to find somebody who is skilled in UX design. If you are somebody who's looking forward to get into the field, I do have a video where I have explained in 8 steps how can you become a UX designer. Well, I know the biggest problem is to understand where do we start from. The best way to start is by taking up an introductory course online. Well, you might say that why not taking up a design degree? Well, if you're somebody like me who does not have a lot of funds to get invested in a UX masters, then don't worry. Start by taking up an introductory online course. In this video, we are going to discuss about some of the best UX design courses which are paid and are available online. We do have another video where we have discussed about some of the best UX design courses which are available for free. Do check out that video, the link is in the description box. Well, to begin with, I would like to start off by telling you that the price of these courses can go from as low as $10 to as high as $7,000. But then, with a lot of money comes a lot of freebies. Also, it is important that you understand that before taking up any expensive course, be sure to do your own research on certain parameters like is the course flexible or self-paced, or you need to follow a timeline. Do you get mentor and career support? Will you get to work on real-world projects? Will you get support on building UX design portfolio? And do they give you any job guarantee? Well, in no particular order, number 1 is from Udacity. Udacity is one of the most popular online learning platform. It has a UX designer nano degree program, which they have recently launched for all the aspiring UX designer. The course is divided into 4 parts and you need to submit your projects which will be reviewed by an instructor. So there are 3 projects and the last one is the capstone project where you will get to build a UX portfolio case study. Price is about $390, $399 per month. Keep your eye on discounts. Duration is 3 months, self-paced, you can finish earlier, and it is of the beginner level. Some of the great benefits of doing a UX designer nano degree program is that you will get to work on real world problems which is provided to you by industry experts. You will also get a mentor support and career services, and you will also get a certificate upon the completion of the degree. Next we have Coursera, which provides many UX design courses which are available for a fee. I'll talk particularly about 3 of the courses. Number 1 is one of the most weighted UX design certificate which is offered by Google. In this certificate, you will get to go through 7 courses. You will learn the UX design process, you will get to build wireframes, you will learn UX research and do it as well, and you will create a professional UX portfolio that includes 3 end-to-end projects. It's a 100% online course which you can do at your own pace. It will have a flexible schedule, beginner level, and it will take approximately 6 months to complete. Next, you have a user experience research and design specialization which is offered by University of Michigan. You will learn user research and how to use the findings to create great products through UX design. It is a beginner level program and the duration in 9 months for 2 hours per week. But then again, it is self-paced and you will get to pay $49 per month. Well, financial aid is also available. Now you have UI UX design specialization which is offered by California Institute of the Arts. Offered the course in this sequence of 4 courses. The price is about $45 per month for 4 months for 5 hours per week. Again, it is self-paced. The level is beginner, and again, financial aid is also available for this specialization. Okay, so the next one is an expensive one which is offered by Berlin-based Career Foundry. It's a UX design program which guarantees you that you will become a UX designer in 10 months. You will get to work with expert mentors and build your portfolio. It is completely flexible and you do not have to even quit your job to learn. Well, they also promise you that you will land up to a job after completing the course, but there is a little bit of catch. For example, you have to be present in one of the countries that they specify if you want to get the benefit of getting a job. There is a whole list that is there on the screen. So talking about the price, monthly plan is $550 for 10 months, $1,400 will be upfront, and one-time plan is $655 upfront, and you will get to save $345. Next one is from Interaction Design Foundation, which is not only just the oldest, however the most trusted one when it comes to learning UX design online. You will learn mobile UX design, usability, UX management and accessibility through their beginner to advanced courses. Price ranges from $100 to $150 per year. It's a self-paced online course. You will also get 30-day money-back guarantee as well. Next, LinkedIn. So there are plenty of UX design and UI design courses which are available online. However, I've picked up only few which caught my eye and also enjoys good reviews on LinkedIn. Course 1 is Planning a Career in User Experience. So the UX expert Corey helps you to understand job responsibilities as well as the benefits of working full-time for a company versus consulting versus freelancing. Price is $29.99. It's a self-paced online course and you will also get a certification of completion and lifetime access. Next is User Experience for Web Design, where you will learn psychology of people, how to use interactive media, how to design searchable and usable homepage forms. Price of the course is $34.99. It's a self-paced online course, and again the benefit is the certification of completion and lifetime access. So guys, if you are looking for brushing up your UX design skills, if you're just looking for getting an introduction into the UX design field, then take up the LinkedIn courses. The certification does not really hold a lot of value in the UX design industry. Now I will talk about Udemy, which has one of the most enriching UX design course which is available online. So Udemy is the biggest repository of online courses. So the one I'm talking about is User Experience, the ultimate guide to usability and UX, which is provided by UX consultant David Travis. It has 12 hours of video content. It teaches you the basics of UX and also helps you to understand different steps that go through the UX design. Cheap on the pocket, this course targets everyone who wants to learn UX design basics. Price is $70. It's a self-paced online course. You will get a certification of completion. I would suggest you to take this course if you are really looking to understand the concepts. It's cheap on pocket and I think $70 does not really do justice. Thousands and thousands, hundreds and thousands of students have taken the course, and this course also enjoys good reviews on Udemy. But then again, the certificates that you get from Udemy also does not really hold a lot of weightage into the industry. But do take up the course if you want to learn the basics and you also want to take up a UX design practice project. Courses on Udemy is provided by standalone instructor. It has no affiliation with any educational institution or university. That is also one of the reasons that the certification does not really hold a lot of weightage. Again, the next platform that we will talk about is Skillshare. Skillshare is just like Udemy. It does not have any affiliation to educational institutions and universities, and the courses are typically 45 minutes to 1 hour and are provided by standalone instructors. Let's discuss about some of the best 2 top courses of UX design which are available on Skillshare. Number 1 is UX UI Design Fundamental. As the name suggests, the course is for people who are at beginner as well as intermediate level. You will get to learn how to think like a designer because it's the most important skill that you need. So for price, you need to have a premium subscription for this course, and it's a self-paced course and you will get a lifetime access. Another one is UX Design Fundamental. From theory methods to how UX really works in the real world. Learn everything in this lecture. Again, for the price, you have to have subscription for Skillshare Premium. It's a self-paced course, the level is beginner, and you will get a lifetime access. Guys, it's important that you understand here is that getting a design degree will definitely help you in terms of the connections that you make, the alumni network that you will have, the concepts that you will learn. But ultimately, you have to practice if you want to become a UX designer. And then again, if you do not have a lot of money to invest, then just start by taking an introductory course. Just start by understanding different concepts that goes around UX design, and then practice. Practicing and then making a UX portfolio out of it is something which is going to be beneficial to you when you are applying for a UX design job. Just by getting a degree is not going to help you at all. It all depends ultimately on the practice that you have and the kind of projects that you have worked on, and then apply for a UX design job. So guys, in this video we discuss some of the best paid UX design courses, which starts from as low as $10 to go as high as $7,000. But then again, with greater price comes a lot of freebies as well. However, if you're just looking to get introduced to the basic concepts of UX design process, then it's important that you just start from the basic courses, and then you can move on to the more expensive one, and then maybe later on you can move on to boot camps as well. Taking a boot camp is of not really a benefit for those who are just starting off. It's better for people who already have some skill and some experience in UX design and who are looking for getting more and more practical knowledge. And then again, if you have money, go ahead and enroll yourself for a master design degree. But then it will take a lot of money, and ultimately what you really need is to be proficient in UI design tools and techniques, prototyping tools as well. And you have to work and practice on UX design projects and create a portfolio out of it. We do have a separate video where we have discussed how can you create a portfolio by scratch. And we also have another video where you can also find where can you find UX design projects. Well, for me, I particularly enjoyed and took up a UX design nano degree program from Udacity, and another one that I have taken prior to the nano degree program was the one from Udemy. Both are the paid one, and both of them really brushed up my skills and helped me to create my own UX design portfolio. So guys, I hope that you enjoyed the video, you found it beneficial, and if you found that it benefited you, then do share it across with your friends and family who are also looking forward to build a career in UX design. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, do share it across, subscribe to this channel, and stay tuned for more videos.